6 easy crochet cat collar patterns. This project is a Christmas bauble cat collar that can also be made for non-Christmas occasions by using different colors. This project is a crochet flower accessory that can be worn either as a headband or a collar for cats and miniature dog breeds. This project is a free, easy crochet pattern for a poinsettia-themed holiday cat collar. Download a printable pattern to make this adorable pet collar with tulips that is really easy to create. This project is an intermediate skill level crochet pattern for a kitty collar. This project is a crocheted pet collar suitable for cats and dogs, which can serve as a pet accessory, Christmas ornament, or scarf. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.